it's me, Olivia again. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to find a document on your Apple computer. All you're going to need for this video is your laptop. Let's get started. All right, so let's say you just created a document. You're going to first need to make sure that this document is named. So double click on edited, and this should pop up and just rename your document, whatever you want to name it. Now once you're done with that, click the return on your laptop and it should be completely renamed. Now go to the left-hand corner, exit out, and you might think that this lost your document, but actually I'm going to teach you how to find it. So go to the right-hand corner and click on that little search bar. What you can do is now type in the name of the document you're trying to find. So I did this really fast and it popped up just under documents. So double click on that, it should lead you right back into the document. Now once you're there, I'm going to teach you how to actually get this onto your desktop so it's easier to find and put it into a folder. So go to File, Move to, then from there, click on the drop-down menu and click Desktop. Once you do that, click the button Move. And it should show up just right there on your desktop, so you can exit out of that. Now I'm going to show you how to organize it with a folder on your desktop like I have. So go to File, New Folder, and it should create a blank folder which you can then rename. Once you're done renaming your folder, all you're going to do is drag and drop the document into that folder. And now you should be able to organize and find any document you want. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you're now able to find a document on your computer. Stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.